alongside tangible motivations, there are also motivations that we call intangible. These motivations are less concrete, less directly palpable than tangible ones. Although they are less concrete, intangible motivations are no less influential. On the contrary, some studies show that they are powerful determinants of our decisions in negotiation, and that they are therefore likely to radically modify the terms of the agreements between the parties. The scientific interest in tangible motivations in negotiation stems from an observation. Researchers have realized that many behavior expressed at the negotiating table cannot be explained by economic motivation alone. On the one hand, negotiators are often satisfied with agreements that are unfavorable to them. On the other hand, there are situations where negotiators vehemently refuse agreements that provide them with substantial economic gains. For example, the president of a commercial court in Belgium pointed out to me a few years ago that she was often confronted with situations where one of the two parties in conflict refuses to accept a legal agreement which, objectively speaking, has everything to satisfy him or her. Such behavior is incomprehensible from a purely economic point of view. If the only motivation people have in negotiation is a tangible economic one, then economically favorable agreements should always be preferred to economically unfavorable ones. The fact is that human beings do not function like computers, and the motivations and objectives are not only economic. Many other motivations drive people's behavior, determine the decisions they make, and affect their emotional reactions to a given event. These other motivations are the intangible motivations, and in particular the relational, procedural, and self-image motivations that we will now detail.